Yeah. Hi Fizz, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Saturday. It is Saturday, the start of a brand new weekend, and you know, we're out and about with the sister-in-law right here. Tyler is right there. She take over Tyler. I have nothing to do with Tyler. She's all Tyler. She wants to push the stroller. She wants to spend time with her nephew, so that's what it's going to be. And baby's there, being a little brother. So we are actually heading into town early because babe and I have a spa appointment. I am going first, 1 hour, and then baby's going an hour after me, so that way we can alternate to stay with Adeline. Her name is Adeline, by the way. So yeah, we're just here waiting on the bus, and my appointment is in 1 hour, so we're way in advance of time. Babe, hey. Say hi.
Hi. How are you?
You enjoy having your sister with you?
Yeah. Always good to have somebody.
Adeline, di bonjour. Say hi, Tyler. Who is that? Say hi. Anyway, you guys, we are heading into town. Sister-in-law is looking so gorgeous. We're heading into town, so we'll catch you guys when we reach town. Hey guys, so I am at the spa right now, and my appointment is in a few minutes. Babe and the sister-in-law and Tyler is off to the center of town, even though I'm in town, but I'm just a little bit in a street in town, so they're going shopping and walking and stuff like that. So I'm at the spa, and it's really beautiful here. Can the chair behind you tell how beautiful it is here already? And I'm really looking forward to my my experience, and I'll be sure to update you guys exactly how my experience goes. But by the customer service already, I can already tell that my experience is going to be super duper awesome. I'll link all the information down below in the description box, just in case you guys are in Nice and want an experience of this spa experience I'm about to have right now. I'll go ahead and let you guys know how my experience goes. We left the spa, and the spa appointment was so good. I feel so good. I actually fell asleep during my treatment. Babe went after me and did treatment for an hour, and we're actually now in McDonald's going to have lunch and then continue on with the adventure for today. But we're okay. Tyler is here playing his tablet. Tyler, say hi. Hi. And babe and the sister-in-law is going to order, so we're just here going to eat, and then we're going to head out. Hold on tight, tight, tight. Hold on tight, 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 baby. Tight, tight, tight. Walk, he's gonna go like this. What? Go, go, go. You want to go? Here, go. Guys, it's such a beautiful day out today. So much people on the beach, even though it's a little bit cloudy over the, I wouldn't say cloudy, but it's a little bit misty over there. But sister-in-law is enjoying the view. She's enjoying taking pictures. She's enjoying exploring the city. She wanted to go to the Isle of Nice sign, so she's going there to take pictures. A famous spot. You have to come here if you come to Nice to catch pictures. You guys, of course we made it to the pool after a tiring long day in town, and look at these two behind me. He's having so much fun with his auntie. It's so cool to see him that happy. And baby's tired. He might join us later, but I think he's resting a little bit. But we're at the pool. Ada, say hi. Ty! Tyler! Tyler! Say hello! Ty! He doesn't care for you guys right now. He's playing with his auntie. Beaucoup de mastic.
Yêu mama kìa.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Para mama. Voilà la douche.
Oh no. Tell us swim. Swim, tell us.
Allez,
Go. It's good.
Ah, c'est bien. Dans les pieds. Les pieds. Ouh, voir les pieds. Allez, tiens, appelle maman qu'elle vienne. Maman. Allez, on appelle maman.
Look at these two. Swim, come. Swim, baby, swim. Swim, come. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come here. Come. Swim.
Allez, maman. Maman.
Nose. What's wrong with your nose? You want car? Take it, sit there. Go for it. Go for the car.
Ah, regarde.
Sit there. Look. Toot. Yeah. You guys, we got home from the pool. Tyler is off the bed because he's super tired. Your girl went down in the kitchen and make some salad real quick and then warm up some leftovers from yesterday. So dinner is about to go down with the sister-in-law and babe right now. So this is dinner. Shrimp salad and leftovers from yesterday. Dinner is ready, you guys.